Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you, my friend?
How much to fix it?
How much to fix it?
Yes.
Backless?
Yeah.
So you wanna fix this one?
Yeah, I don't know the.
What is your MagSafe say? Who fixed this one before? Did you fix it before?
Yeah.
Where did you fix it?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
Where did you fix this one? In New York?
Yes.
In New York? Brooklyn? Queens? But anyway, this is gonna be $100.
Okay.
You wanna fix it?
Yes.
Look at it. They even didn't put the glue. So just give me like 20 minutes. It's fine?
It's fine.
Okay, thank you. Okay, I'll see you like
Thank
20
you.
minutes. Do you want a screen protector?
No.
You don't want it?
No.
Okay, no problem. Okay guys, so this is no MagSafe here because this phone has been repaired before and this is very wrong. I don't know what's this. Hello, how are you?
Alright, thank you.
Hey, how are you? Your phone is all set.
Okay. I
Would you like
it.
to check it?
Yes. I like it.
You need screen protector. You don't want to get screen protector?
Yeah. Okay. No problem.
Okay, $10 for you, okay?
Okay.
Because you repair your phone. So I'm not gonna charge you like a regular customer. So let's put your screen protector. I'm gonna give you one nice case, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, this is nice screen protector. Okay, this is the case you wanted. Clear case for iPhone 12 Pro. That's nice.
Yes. I
Like a new. Thank you, my friend, okay?
Thank you.
No problem.
So much.